right, friends, so we are going to do some chaining. We're going to put some letters together to make words. And the first word that we're going to make has 1, 2, 3, 4 sounds. And before we get started on this, I want to remind you all we're focusing on letter team. So when sometimes two letters work together as a team, just like we learned in diagraphs, we know that the SH has 2 letters, but it's one sound. Sh. We know that CH is 2 letters, but one sound. Ch. We also have been working on doubles. So we've figured out that, let's see, where's my eraser? We have figured out that when you have a double letter, you don't say the letter sound twice. You say it one time. For example, if you see the letters L in a word, you're not going to say ul. You would just say one ul. So keep that in mind as we go ahead and move into our letter or our word for our first word. Take a second. Sound it out. Let me remind you, here is our letter team, ul. So it's going to be 3 sounds. The word is ul, fill. And if this is fill, what would this word be? If that was fill, what would this word be? Bill. Bill. If that was Bill, what word is this? Ill. Hill. Remember, when we're just changing one letter in the word, we don't have to sound out the whole word again. We can just add in or change that one letter sound. If this was pill, tell me what word this would be. Let me remind you, here is a letter or a word or letters, a sound team again. The C makes the K sound and the K makes the K sound. So when you put it together, it is still one sound. K, I, K, pick. And if this is pick, what would this word be? Stick. Sick. Now, let me add a letter. I'm not going to be taking a letter sound away. I'm just going to be adding one. Sound that out. Slick. That word is slick. Tell me, what is this word? Stick. And if that is stick, what happens if I take away the I sound and change it to an sound? It goes from stick to stuck. Stuck. The word is stuck. And we've got one more. If we take away this letter team here and change it to a different letter team, once again, you're not going to say f, f, it's one sound. Stuff. Excellent job, friends.